Oldest formed stone tools. Spear, bow and arrows. Painting. Oil lamp. Earliest musical instrument. A flute. Weaving and textiles. Humans raise dogs. Ceramics. Stone wall. Cereal gathering. Pottery. Rope. Rice grown. Oldest city. Jericho. Wheat grown. Squash grown. Earliest drum. Metal melting and casting. Copper. Corn grown. Mud brick house. Writing on clay objects. First numbers. First stamp or seal. Timekeeping device. The wheel for pottery. Cotton grown. Symbols of the alphabet. Writing on clay tablets. Animal-pulled vehicles. Bronze casting. Stringed musical instrument. Inclined plane. Oldest written story. The Sumerian flood story. Glass making. Musical horn. Lock and key. All phonetic language and alphabet. Pulley. Iron melted and casted. Earth described as a sphere. Particle or wireless communication. Theory that all matter is made of atoms. Lever. Screw. The rotation of the Earth around its own axis once a day and around the Sun once a year is understood. The size of Earth correctly calculated. Paper. Light described as atoms that move very fast. Steam engine. Compass. Windmill. Gunpowder. Norwegian explorers reach North America. Rocket. Gun. Theory that all matter is made of light. Humans from Europe reach America. Humans circumnavigate the Earth. Telescope and microscope. That planets have elliptical orbits is understood. Moons of Jupiter seen and their period determined. Speed of sound measured. Law of inertia. A body preserves its motion. Vacuum. Static electricity generator. Theory that light is a particle revived. Speed of light measured. Direct neuron activation. Human contracts muscle with electricity. Law of gravitation. Matter attracts with a force that is the product of their masses and the inverse of their distance squared. Storage of electricity. The capacitor. Self-propelled vehicle. Remote neuron activation. Muscle contracted remotely by light particles. Electric battery. Invisible light recognized. Frequencies of light measured. Electric light. Theory that all atoms are multiples of hydrogen. The first photograph. Electricity understood to cause magnetism. First electromagnet. Gas combustion engine. Electric motor. Electricity produced by moving a wire near a magnet. Electrical transformer. The dynamic electric generator. Constant current produced. Plastic. Light converted to electricity. Photoelectric effect. Humans recognize spiral galaxies. Planet Neptune seen. Sound recorded mechanically. Theory of evolution. Humans understand their descent from a single ancestor and the process of natural selection. Humans understand that light spectra can be used to determine atomic composition. Microphone, speaker, and telephone. Sound converted to electricity and back to sound again. Direct neuron reading. Electricity and nerve cells measured. Artificial muscle. Invisible particle communication. Radio. Motion picture camera. X-rays. Magnetic writing and reading of data. Airplane. Electric switch and amplifier. Helicopter. Image sent and received by radio. Electronic read and write memory. Atomic transmutation. Nitrogen changed into oxygen. Atomic fusion. Atomic fission. Picture of individual atoms. Image of a virus. Bipedal robot. Double helix structure of DNA understood. The Maser, the first human-made satellite. A ship from Earth impacts the moon of Earth. The laser, human orbits the Earth. Laser writing and reading of data. Ship impacts Venus. Humans land and walk on the moon of Earth. Ship orbits another planet, Mars. Ship impacts Mars. Ship lands on Mars. Ship reaches Jupiter. Ship lands on Venus. Ship reaches Saturn. Ship reaches Uranus. Microscopic motor. Ship reaches Neptune. Individual atoms moved. Ship orbits Jupiter. Microscopic radio chip. RFID. Nanometer scale motor. Ship orbits Saturn. Remote neuron reading. Image of what the eyes are seeing captured remotely.